Dear students, good morning to all. Warm welcome to our online science class. Dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about quantum numbers. This is the last part of this lesson. Just a small part. Let us see about this. We have learned to designate orbits by K, L, M, N and orbitals as S, P, D, F. So, we have seen that electrons are filled in these orbitals according to certain rules. So, each electron inside of an atom has its own identity, which is given by 4 quantum numbers that gives a information about that electron. Let's understand with the example. When you specify the location of a building, you usually list which country it is in and which state and city it is in that country. So we have four ways of defining the properties of an electron, or four quantum numbers, like four ways of defining the location of a building. So what is quantum numbers? The numbers which designate and distinguish various atomic orbitals and electrons present in an atom are called quantum numbers. Next, four kinds of quantum numbers. First, principal quantum number. Its symbol N. It denotes how far is the electron from the nucleus. Second, azimuthal quantum numbers. Its symbol is L. It denotes which orbital does it occupies and what is its shape. Next, third one, magnetic quantum number. Its symbol is M. It denotes how this orbital is oriented in space. Next, spin quantum number. Its symbol is S. It denotes what kind of spin the electron has. Dear students, we saw about quantum numbers and types of quantum numbers in this session. Let us move to important terms on this lesson. Dear students, we are going to discuss about textbook exercise. Question number 1. Among the following, the odd pair is. Correct answer is option B. 18 argon 40, 7 nitrogen 14. Question number 2. Change in the number of neutrons in an atom changes it to. Correct answer is option B. An isotope. Question number 3. The terms nucleons refer to. The correct answer is option D. Protons and neutrons. Question number 4. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons present respectively in 35, bromine 80 are. The correct answer is option D. 35, 45, 35. Question number 5. The correct electronic configuration of potassium is. The correct answer is option C. 2, 8, 8, 1. Next, true or false. Question number 1. In an atom, electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed orbits. The answer is true. Question number 2. Isotopes of an element have different atomic numbers. The answer is false, because isotopes are atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different mass numbers. Question number 3. Electrons have negligible mass and charge. The answer is false, because electrons have negligible mass and have negative charge. Question number 4. Smaller the size of the orbit, lower is the energy of the orbit. The answer is false. Question number 5. The maximum number of electron in L cell is 10. The answer is false, because the maximum number of electron in L cell is 8. Dear students, mark this answer in your book. Remaining part of this we'll see in the next session. Thank you.